done na kami. Ano ko
Bendy and the Dark Revival.
띵을쌍맹은 기마다 각도 심어줘가. 적적 신랑이란 낚시. 나 마스필링 싹싹 진나가니 다음에 비서 각도 샤고. 저쪽 심어와가 저기 봉아 다시가 드라키몬 아이나 비시마소 내가 좋아하는 약시오.
I believe there's something special in all of us, especially you, Audrey.
Who are you?
Don't you know me? Take a good look.
Aren't you?
Joey Drew? In the flesh. Well, so to speak. Come on up. Let's take a little walk. There's something I want to show you.
Ano shortlist bilang Korea daw ano piso kang notes. Tambak takto kang nangayo. Ang nara ano piso kang tusak. Pero tamang bibero siya sa kanu piso ka sana. Tama to siyawo. Tama to siyawo. Tama to kaktusa nga mihira.
There you go. Follow me. But mind your step. This old place is full of surprises. I should know. I've worked here a long time.
Mr. Drew?
Joey, please.
Joey, what is this place? The studio? These monsters? Am I dreaming?
It's a cycle, Audrey. An ink-stained nightmare, forever stuck on repeat. With just a pencil and a dream, and with a little help from the Jet Corporation, it came into being. From what I gather, it exists in parallel with the outside world, but completely removed from the march of time, and like a record played over and over again, it's begun to crumble, wear down. This studio is a monument to choosing the wrong road. Now, whether it was built for revenge or regret, I don't know. That's my riddle to solve.
미시 쇼크로 나 어른 약간 상아 마. 나. ano na piso ka dito.
The truth is, Audrey, someone out there is messing with what's in here. Bad things have begun to emerge from the puddles. Wicked creatures that never came from my pen. The worst ones call themselves keepers. Dangerous, deadly folks. They've taken over the old Jet workshop just beyond the sewers, trying to bring what they call order to this world, freezing the cycle in place, changing the script. Whatever answers you're looking for, you'll find them there.
No.
Every great story begins in mystery. Although things may be dark at the start, the truth will illuminate your way. Don't be afraid of who you are. Fear only what you may become, and banish it away. Your best pal.
Look, above all, never forget. You're here for a reason, Audrey. There's always a reason, even when you can't understand it.
You made this world. Why can't you fix it?
Because I'm not the man. I'm just the memory.
A memory. Okay. Control cox ni jagoy masuk ke cingi sami. Tawa cingu ni harga ngaman nak tunak pami. New. Tambo si kawan ni. Smooth. Dah kipok ni ang man ipitaw yo sak. Tek. Understand? Давай. Никуда не опустишься.
Don't ever lose hope. When in doubt, the answer you seek is usually nearby. We all have dreams, ghosts in our past. But those ghosts can give us the path forward. Your best pal.
Story mode kita tuang gisan nak pakai kisian di. Oh kada tuak pungo nga. Wang tuang gisan dekan ni. Kan tersendawa. Yan. Au kaderan di dia. Naruwa ka no video question naks. Au kaderan yung magiyan. Okay. Betul dari kaya masa kucing wasan lah. Pokok bisa. Dah, vas pilih asak jenis kaya kaya puasi.
It just appeals to me. As old Norman would often say, people really become themselves when they're hidden in shadow. That creepy guy always had a story to tell about this place. But I think I have found a few narrow passages even he didn't know about. I can watch, I can listen, I can even steal, and no one ever sees me. I'm just a ghost living in the walls, peering from the darkness.
Alice Inter. Dara. Nakayakan kita na rin. Talk to Chikawa Sandrik. Kenapa? Dava. Bendy sudah tak kucing kita. Ini matok kasna wa. Ada tak semua. Tinggal sampai mana kau kasih aku macam ni. Bisa nak matok na marok. Dah, bawa nga si kada dayak lang. Ano piso kang disado at kucing gitu aku. Ano wa tadi unak ciki ka. Ngungitok pa nga. Natingay pa nga. Dami na siya ko na naman nakatinawa. Ayok, siya. Masya na. Mamaya secret sa kapuan. Sakit ito nga na. Sakit siya na sawa. Wangan. Sakit siya na sawa. Dava, no lang daw. Gabi aqui a depo. Nấp. Cockfish xanh cái đằng á. Đá ba cockfish á. Oh, sudah sana so. Nyak sa fish at wala magsalami. Start ng daw siya at ang malalaga so. Ikot sa kao na puso. Ay. Titi. Noon, di ko sasakak po. Pagkatay di sando po. Ay. Puntam to coffee sa kaktiso. No? Man. Okay, 지금 저 세팅 와가. 오피스에 쌀 와가. Ta-da! Roger up to boss.
They designed this big tunnel to link their new Gent building to Joey Drew Studios. They want to keep labor and parts flowing between them. I don't think they fully knew what they was actually creating here. When workers are heading through the shaft, you gotta drain the center duct into the overflow. When they're gone, you flood it again. Any schmuck can do it, even if they're not an engineer. But the main thing is, you gotta make sure all the duct hatches are all open. Once they're open, the overflow can go drain back and forth between the two ducts. Simple stuff, but a bit complicated when you're working by yourself. Muncie done.
Ito ang saka sinasaka. Slow. Pero kaso namang nagsubisyon dati yung nakta ko yun. Diba sakta kisang nga, diba yun sa kayo, tumigod. Ayaw ka nawak, tumig. Open. Mono, sila. Nakuta mo bisukak dami. Ano siya na? Kasi yung sis. Hello, aso. Ang queen.
Follow your inspirations when you're a musician. Stick to what you know works. But when they built the new studio buildings, they all but filled in my office down in the old sewers. Turns out, I've gotten so accustomed to working in those disgusting conditions that now if my office doesn't stink, the lyrics I write do. So when Jen started digging their massive utility shaft between their place and ours, I knew it'd be just the right spot for me to move in. Now I've got a song in my heart and a creative stench up my nose.
Still saanut takayakafo. Tokatsapunga tamari yung amachi niwangan na miningak sa takay di sigak sa siyang galaksi. Jump scare. Jump scare. God damn it. Mamo siya minuan ng nose. 이맛도 지금 동네 거 고시용 넣지. 아마도 지금 알아 거기로 지상하러 빠다 지미. 야네리. 오늘 라크 시작하러. Nirakit ka raw ako na eh, tapos siya nakanak to na ako sa araw. Hi. Dapat klockan är då 10. Tre, 2, 1, jump scare. Bam. Dan na kami. Damat away di mangingat ko. No masyok kita katakan. May sisang na rin ako sa nakapakisyon ni wow masyok kita katakan. Tok official. Nangatak. Tawang bising siya ata. Ako sure. Wait, sino yung kaunang kero. Umasuswa ito pa nakta. Đó là siêu băng được siêu mặt tại khắc xí mắm bầm mặt bạc. Đà vả. Chừng chỉ măng ra. Tôi mới xin bắt đầu tóc cái số. Something. ไม่รู้จิชิโมกิชิโนคนนี้ก็เชียวนะ Oke, akan nanti. Ronde sini. Mau ceket punai guys tung besumi. Sudah guys no sumi. Anda sabi sih. Baka na daw kumatok ka nga sa daan. Nung mislis. Nako, namatusin na ba? Bendy, short minute drak på sitt. Namboksi mo kana na silkyu tsakang sa simanguna rotuan. Silkyu tsakaraga. Saan nikista sakang natsmisokara. Nope. Bunga siya naksimbaso nakisimi. Come on, poof. Bendy, Bendy. Ako na teleporter sinna sungaw na ro siya nga. Ambo. Okay. Takso pika nga mitupan na sa kami. Muna to kaya sunod dapat ako mo tuktik kami. Dawa yun ni Chili Pok Chok Pisa sa bila kaya sunod. Dokto ungak to siya nga. Dawa ko na Chili Pok. Ano mo ko yun na oh. Laksiyong tak. Makfi nga si tanak siyong tak. Tanak siyong. Isami. Được. Chỉ cho nhiều người xua sọc. Sabu. Đi. Sabi sa pati damang nang minusok 굵직한 일이오나. 억지럽고 vì sao nó bị trở nên không có nó
Within our isolated walls, Lord Amok reigns. The drips and drops of the leaking world above cannot stop his rule. Those who oppose Amok's hand have their bodies crushed and fed info, the narrow pipes that lead Belu info, forgotten sewers under our feet. Those tunnels are even deeper, even darker, than this one. There is only suffering down there, but, should Enin defeat Lord Amok, cast him down, our small kingdom will belong to the Kingwearer. This is the secret of Amok's immortality. Pass on the throne, pass on the name.
Fish na sahi baka.
Behold, the stranger is upon us. Kill her. Kill her now!
Pakayota. Dashi Jitsuka could Eugene. Zakato. Press the bell.
Hail Amok!
Apa? Scan. Naksito kang ginasa ni Panakto. Panakto. Toko at kasi nga. Akarang ito may masang pitakpo nga. Yes. Unakunod tayo kasi
I'll see you marveled as the truth unfolds. You will accept your fate before the end.
satu benda kisah ini kisah why huwag ka seryoso ka sa why coffee siya seryoso
What in the world? How big is this place? Oh, it's you. Where did you come from? Look, I'm sorry about earlier. I didn't mean to hurt you. And I really don't think you want to hurt me either, right? Good. Let's be friends then, okay? What do you say? You and me? Awesome. Maybe you can help me. I'm looking for the old Gent building. What's wrong? Is it a bad place? It's okay. I won't let anything happen to you. We'll go one step at a time. Just you and me. Let's see what we can find.
sabi lang reaksyon lang cartoon okay Isolation na sa rock. Ang naman akto sa kanila. Sonne siya sa taas dito. Ako yung niyak tungon ng kon. Nothing. Tokok fish ang nagsot ko. Kano piso kang niyak to? Kasa kasi. Kano piso kang niko kami tan nakaksamak dua.
Looks like we need to find an ID card somewhere around here. Any ideas, Bendy?
Okay. Mga imatok sa reaksyon ko, may reaksyon ko sa reaksyon ko na niyaktarap po. Kung nasinas, yun isinas, napisin laksak sa masas na masibat. Tiksam takos. Bye-bye.